US the improvement of the existing water supply system in Satubaitea district of Savai'i, the Big Island, for the replacement of water pipes, repair of water source intake, construction of a new weir, and installment of filters, pressure reducing valve, and water kiosk with a tap, basin and filter at the district hospital in order to improve the water supply system and secure life and health environment for the people in Satubaitea district. I'm very happy that my country, Japan, can be of help to the health and welfare of the Satubaitea district. And it is also good to know that this system will also serve for the district hospital. That means the welfare and health of the water comes from the mountain and it sinks into the soil and it's purified and a lot of minerals. So I really like the water in Japan. But when I came here about 3 years ago, I found out that the water in Samoa is also very sweet, very nice, because you have a big mountain. So, and you have a lot of rain, that means you have a very good water. So if you have the good water supply system, then you can really enjoy drinking the very delicious natural water in Samoa, and especially in Savai'i. I'm very happy to be of help to you. And once again, thank you very much for coming here. Thank you.
Thank you for now we will process the signing of grant contract. Could you please open the file? Yes. Then first please sign the place. Then please.
Let's take photo.
Please stand up then. Please join. Back side of the president, please. Thank you.
This camera, please. Okay, 1, 2.
This camera, please. 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much, you can see.
Can I get on? Thank you.
Beautiful.
Okay, last one.
Last one.
Please. 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thanks for the photo session. Please sit down. And so, could you please some speech or comment? President Mr.
Okay.
Good morning, konnichiwa, and talofa. Your Excellency, Mr. Senta Kisuk, representatives from the Embassy of Japan, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is with great pride and heartfelt gratitude that I stand here before you today as the President of the Independent Water Schemes Association in Samoa. This momentous occasion marks a significant milestone as we celebrate the celebration of our project by Embassy of Japan for the grassroots human security projects grant assistance. We extend our deepest thanks to the Embassy of Japan for recognizing this important initiative and for your invaluable support. Your commitment to enhancing human security through grassroots projects like ours is a testament to the strong and enduring partnership between Japan and Samoa. The Satubaitea district benefits from a natural spring source that supplies the entire district. However, over time, the water intake has become insufficient for the growing population, and some pipes have become rusty and deteriorated, compromising water quality. Addressing this issue is crucial to ensure every household continues to receive reliable access to clean water. With your generous support of the Embassy of Japan, we are set to improve the water infrastructure in South Paitao. This project will rehabilitate the existing water supply network by increasing the water intake, replacing deteriorating galvanized iron pipelines, and installing a UV filtration kiosk at the South Paitao District Hospital in order to provide free access to safe drinking water. In addition, we will conduct operation and maintenance training for the Water Committee members to ensure sustainable management of the water supply network. The impact of this project extends beyond immediate improvements. It symbolizes the IWSA's commitment to the health and future of South Paitao District. This project will benefit about 2,000 residents, 450 students of South Paitao Primary School, and 200 students of Wesleyan College. I would also like to extend my heartfelt thanks to the Ministry of Women, Community and Social Development, as well as the South Paitao Water Committee for their dedication in bringing this project to fruition. Thank you once again, Your Excellency, staff of the Japan Embassy, and to the government of Japan for the life-changing opportunity. May God bless you all. Thank you, arigato, and fafutai.
Thank you very much.
That concludes the official ceremony. That concludes our official ceremony this morning. Once again, on behalf of His Excellency, we thank you. You are coming. Thank you.
Thank you very much for coming. I look forward to the completion of the water supply system, and the district of South Paitao will have a very nice water.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Pero fino al prestine pa kung kung sinasan lang pasando may fio may gule so swati mana na ya mole atina ele ya fio sa ya pa pe fu le ma
Fatto mo facili mo le tuale sotto la fatta le Embassy of Japan ni malo Japan le fatto peina foi ma so soani le ngalwenga fufuin ole ngalwenga le tu malo sa Paitao te lumanga tele o vai mo le fe fa le le intake e fatano le yu te mero pu e vai e lo fatano e te fai la to repair le ma to fai le no lo liki vai ngalo na lua le fai le famma la po e te o le vai sa Paitao le spring vai puna fai male mal famma string famma le limo o ana la pasi so forth o le vangalo tolo suina le offe le main line i tele ai o le pe amal tastis male 2 kilomita le tele o le poi pa ua mea lo ia nei o la sui umele i le fana ului o le polyethylene Tôi nào phải tôi phần nào mà cháu đi, tôi phải có phụ gia của phần này. Ia pe ngar ngar tele ia, pa populai mal kiosk la le fai ole, ultraviolet kiosk. Or fan male le wile pe na siam. Fan ale le wile le like te pe na siam. Ia fa tulai o le me formai. Ia fa taule mong se ngase o ai uma se si formai. Te la tola e tila from wai. Toi na kios ia goes through partially Ross. Maar for my for lato fight testing to make sure it's E. coli free can really ia pe me ia lo whamoemoenga leo ngakuenga fufua ni whatupena ia pani whaftai.
Whaftai. Sino sa mga lofio matulala pio na yaile ang tamamay o le associate o le se frequency na ito mo le ito man.
Ole society le ta ole independent water scheme association. Na initiate le lua family uno sa tawa matena fufua. Ia lua family valu loa wa listala lo fa society. O e taula o vai pulenga vai tu moti pule limfa pule fianga. Ole lo fatu pe me foi malo ia. E singa buena. O vaenga la e foi la makotonos la for ia pani. Ia o EU. O vaenga la e fatu pe na plotitila ia, na plotitila ia. Ada na kan. Ia ole la e but ole I'll tell you now play fire schemes. 28. We have 28 schemes. Only definition of scheme only. We have 28 intakes. These are all gravity fed intakes. Ele fanga makolpa mubai o fanga mo ele gravity pushing a mai ka ngu. Anyway, el usu balula intake, but that's like number of villages, 57. Yeah. Vai kusala malfasu fiku ia nu, like I said, nu e tasile intake, tasil pungawai. Ai whanu e la le tu malo, as I recall, pe le tu malo le tu tani, e tasil pungawai e iawau, ia e tamu mawhau mai e whangamalo, sa whae nu umai. Likewise, o whalatai, tasil pungawai. Ai foi no whapeli mai tamu mawhai. So whasu fitulanu ia ai losu balu ia intakes.
Hallo, Whaftai, no fio mo le avunu. So congratulations. Whafia le amatai na le.
E wana le. O le whangu e moe wa le whatu asa ni le konkalake say release funds. While the process masangi e tentanga wanga la no new construction, no new company means India. All the drawings have been completed. Drawings are not wanga fight, including intake, me mo fight drawings of design. I tender la mako tender process usually takes like 2 to 3 months where if I repeat my discussion, evaluation and whatnot. Ako mo for yung site visit yun, yung final man. Yeah, olvanga long lua le procurement. No, almost all the materials ele mo more like valves or pipes, PEs and whatnot. Yeah, they all I for the process there, so we are looking at 5 to 6 months while shipment for MIA and whatnot. But by luck, we are praying we can kick off by end of this year if everything runs normally. But let's all pray sooner the better.
Hallo, Whaftai na me lo, state in the